Hello all, my name is Sachin. Welcome to another series of Cilium 4 feature. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how can we open a insecure website. Let me start. So this is the part 5 of Cilium 4. So if you haven't watched my previous tutorial of Cilium 4, please go through them. So in Chrome DevTool, I'm going to talk about a new feature like how can we open an insecure website, a website which is having some certificate issue. Let me move forward. In Cilium 3, we can see like Chrome driver extend remote web driver. And if you talk about Cilium 4, we can see like Chrome driver extend Chromium driver and Chromium driver extend remote web driver. So whenever we are using Chrome Div tool, then we are going to use this class Chromium driver. So let me move forward. In Chrome Div tool, uh, the feature I'm talking about insecure website. So we can open insecure website like a website which is having some certificate validation issues such as expired certificate, wrong host, self-signed or untouched root, etc. So if you are seeing this type issues, then we are not able to open a website. We will get some error like something like this. If you see here, like your connection is not private, attacker might be trying to steal your information. So we are getting this information from Chrome browser or Mozilla, whatever browser we are using. But today I'm going to talk about Chrome driver. How can we handle this type situation if you are seeing? Then in Selenium 4 we can handle this. So let me show you how we can do. Let me go to the browser, this Selenium. So okay, let me open this link like expired. So if I'm opening, then we can see here your connection is not private. So like attacker might be trying to steal your information. So this is like some demo website where I'm going to show demonstrate you. So if you see here, this is like invalid certificate. That is why I'm not able to open here. I have to go advanced and like I have to say like proceed to expired, but I'm not doing. I'm going to back to safety. Okay. So what this website, i'll I'll open through Cilium 4. Okay, let me go to this. Okay, this is I opened Eclipse and here we can see I'm using Cilium 4 Alpha 6 version. So this is still in alpha testing. So hope this will be the final version and we will get the next version for using. So still Cilium 4 is in testing state. Okay, let me create one class for the demo. So here last time I have created like Chrome Div tool package here and I have given demo for like console log. If you haven't watched this video, please go through. Okay, let me create a class. I'll say open insecure website. I am not using main method here. I'll use TestNG. Let me create a class. I'll create here before test and I'll say public void set driver. I'll say set driver. Let me create a global web driver and using here I am going to use WebDriver manager. I don't have here Chrome driver. I'm not setting the property. Still I will able to open the I will I will able to open the web page. So because of this WebDriver manager, if you haven't watched this video, please go through it. This is very useful feature. So let me set all the property. Chrome driver dot setup WebDriver manager dot Chrome driver dot version, the version of the driver, which version you are going to download automatically. So the WebDriver manager, it will download the driver automatically. So here I am using 83 version of browser, Chrome browser. So I require 83 version of driver. Now which so my system is a 32. Sorry, my laptop is a 64. So I'll say here arcs 64 and setup. So this is done. Now I can say driver equal to new Chrome driver. So driver part is ready. Now I'll create a class. I'll say test. I will public void open insecure web portal what I'll say driver dot manage dot timeout dot implicit wait. I will use 20-second time unit dot second driver dot manage dot window dot maximize driver dot get. What is the problem here? Okay, there's no issue. Okay, I'll open this website. So I'm taking this URL. Let me execute. We can see here we are unable to open a web portal where we can see here there is some certificate issue. Certificates are invalid. So like few things I would like to add here. Like if you trust a web portal, like if you know that is in secure network and you know that is a some certificate issue, then you can leverage the Cilium for feature. Else you should not click for the like you should not do like this proceed to this web portal. Else you might be target of hackers. So like you are seeing like on daily basis like hackers steal some private information from the laptop. So those are the insecure website you should not click until you are not aware that web portal like it is in secure network and that is just some certificate issue. then then you can leverage this feature in your code. Okay, let me move forward. So we can see here now how to handle this. For handle this we have to use Cilium 4 DevTool feature. So what I'll say here, DevTools, I'll take this driver dot get DevTool. So I'm not getting here. The reason because this driver instance web driver. So either you have to say like Chrome driver equal to new Chrome driver, otherwise you have to cast to Chrome driver. Let me cast it. Chrome driver dot get DevTools. We can see this is a method get DevTool. If you go inside this method, you will see it is coming from Chromium driver. What I was talking about when I start this video. So you can see here it is coming Chromium driver. If you go on top, you can see here here where is the class here. So Chromium driver action remove web driver. This is the thing. Chrome driver action Chromium driver action remove web driver. Okay, let me move forward. DevTool dot create session and DevTool dot send security dot enable, and this we are enabling security here, security send, and here I'll say security dot ignore certificate, and here we have to pass a boolean true. Now our setup is ready. So we have written 4 lines here. We can see here one, getting div tools. So here we are creating instance of the div tool. From div tool we are creating the session, and from here we are sending like command security. We are enabling the security of the browser, and we are saying like ignore the certificate. If there is any certificate error, then proceed it. So let me execute it. Now this time we will see like certificate issue browser is opening successfully. Earlier we were not able to open. Now we can see here using my Cilium 4 DevTool feature, we are able to open the browser in Chrome. Not we cannot leverage this. We cannot use this in Firefox in other browser. This is specifically for the Chrome driver. Okay, let me try to open other website as well. We can see a wrong host, self-signed, untrusted. So let me show you. See, I am unable to open these things when URL is different for all. So let me check all. Are we able to open using like this? This is a wrong host. Let me open. Yes, we can see here wrong host, badssl.com. We're able to open. Let me check this as well. Self-signed. So web page open. We can see a self-signed SSL. We are able to open. So let me test untrusted root as well. So let me use this URL. Let me open this. So now web page is going to open. We can see here this is logs, and if you go in logs as well, you will see like 83 version driver I'm using. We can see untrusted root bad SSL. I'm able to open this web portal. So like if you want to open like any insecure website where you are seeing some like certificate issue, then we can leverage this feature of DevTool of Cilium 4. So we can see here like starting Chrome 83. So I am using 83 driver and 83 version of like Chrome browser. If you go here, help about Chrome, you can see 83. So hope it's clear. Thank you guys. If you have any doubt, please ask me into the comment section. In my next video, I'll talk about some more feature of the DevTool. And if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.